our lives and the health of the earth are woven together. When people do well, they take better care of the earth. And when the earth flourishes, it takes care of us right back. So what do? We build partnerships across industries, governments, nonprofits, and Indigenous communities. We deliver programs that make us more climate resilient. We invest in projects and people working to protect our ecosystem. A healthy planet and a strong economy, they go hand in hand. For over 35 years, with the support of our funders, we've provided solutions and invested millions into projects to cut emissions, restore our environment, build a circular economy, and develop community resilience. We are Alberta Ecotrust. Let's work together towards an Alberta where people and nature thrive. Learn more at albertaecotrust.com.